Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disassemble and assemble the Avon M50 gas mask. So let's get started. We're going to start off with the lens, and that is held by this rubber right here, as you guys can see, like that. Now, there you go. The other side, same thing, it's just going to slide out.
It's actually difficult because I'm watching the screen.
There you have it. Let's get this out of the way. Now we're gonna go ahead and take off the filters, and that's also easy. And what you're gonna see these tabs right here, as you guys can see. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna pinch this like so, and you're gonna twist this counterclockwise. That. Same thing on the other side, except you're gonna go clockwise, just like that. There you have it. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove the self-sealing disc valves, and those are these two white valves you see right here. What you're gonna do is make sure not to use your nails. You're just gonna kind of pinch this and pull it out like so. Again, same thing on the other side. And what you're looking for is make sure that it's not sticky, and make sure it's not torn, make sure it's not dirty, and make sure that this will sit properly when you put it back. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the cover assembly and unwrap this drinking tube right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull this tab down. Now what we're gonna do is take this lever right here, go about halfway, and from there just go up just a little bit more. I take my right thumb, pull this out like so, and it just comes out. And now here's another valve right here. This is your inlet outlet disc valve, and this is really thin, so you want to be careful not to damage this. And what I like to do is go under, take 2-3 fingers, and then don't pull it out from here. Try to pull this out from the middle. And there you have it. You're gonna go ahead and remove your drinking tube right here, and that's, you just see that right here, and you're just gonna pull this out just like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the nose cup, and what I'm gonna do is put my hand in here like so, and just pull this out. So I'm gonna put my thumb like this, and use my thumb, my other fingers, and just pull this out like so. There you have it. Now it's time to remove the air deflectors, and that's these two right here, one here, the other one right here. Zoom in so you guys can see. So your thumb is gonna go under here, and it's like opening a can of soda. That's the motion you're gonna make. Here again, there's one right here. Same thing on the other side. There you have it. Now you got another rubber valves right here. These are also very thin, so be careful not to pinch them. Same thing you're gonna do what you did with the white ones. Just be a little bit more cautious. So yeah, there we have it, everyone. We just completely disassembled your Avon M50 gas mask. Now we're gonna get to the assembly part. Here, that's where it's gonna go. Just gonna push this in. It's hard to do this when you're looking at the screen. There you go. So it's seated properly, and you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now it's time to put back your air deflectors, and what you're gonna do is notice that you see these two buttons right here. One, another one right here. Those two sit here like this. So I'm gonna place this in here, like so. And all you're gonna do is push it down. So on this side, where the tab is, and the other side. So you should hear it click. See that? You hear 2 clicks, one here and the other side. Try to pull this out. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. The nose cup will sit like this. And as you can see, this is where the straw sits, right here. So now what you're gonna do, so you can see, what you're gonna do is take your finger, go around and push it in like this. Now, you can take this ring and just flip it, make sure that the round side is up, and this is where the nose cup, where the straw will sit. And let's go ahead. Place this inside like so. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go around and push this. Actually, I might actually need to use more than one finger. Just like press it down. You can also do, what I like to do is take 3 fingers, 4, 3, and then push it in like so. And you should hear it click. There you go. Try to wiggle this mask out. See, it won't come out. That's how you know it's properly installed. You're gonna take your drinking tube. The bigger hole goes into this hole right here. Install the cover assembly. See, bigger cover assembly there. And what you're gonna do is push it down with 4 fingers. Hear it click. Go ahead and take your lens, just push that in there. Same thing on the other side. Just gonna slide that in. Finally, we're gonna put back these white self-sealing disc valves. Make sure it's seated properly. Now we're gonna put the filters back in. Take your filter, you're gonna notice this little mark right here. That goes here. So what I like to do is take the mask, just kind of wiggle it until it's lined up here. And from there, I like to kind of push it in and then rotate this clockwise. Same thing on the other side. Wiggle, wiggle, so you can no longer move this. Press it in firmly, then rotate this one counterclockwise. There you have it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.